This follow-up video continues our tutorial on modifying Blockstrap's menu items. We'll add a drop-down menu with sub-items and explore link types, including the WP login, WP logout, and spacer items. The easiest way to add a drop-down menu with sub-items is to duplicate an existing BS drop-down block and customize it as needed. Instead, here's how to add a drop-down menu with sub-items from scratch. Click the Options button of the drop-down we just created, then click Add After. Type /BS dropdown and select the BS nav dropdown block. Type the name of your drop-down menu item and save. In the document overview on the left column of the editor, click the Options icon next to the new drop-down block and select Add After. Drag and drop the new paragraph block and nest it under the drop-down block. In the paragraph nested under the drop-down block, type /BS nav item and select the BS nav item block. In the nav item block settings, select the link type, for example, page, and in the drop-down that appears, choose the page you want the menu item to link to, and save. If you check the front end now, you'll see the new drop-down we created, including the sample page sub-item link. Now, let's add WP login and WP logout links. Let's start by adding a new block right before the Buy Now button. Type /BS nav item and select the BS nav item block. In the block settings, choose WP login as the link type and enter login as the link text. Duplicate the login nav item you just created. Then in the block settings, choose WP logout and change the link text to logout. And save. Check the front end now. Since we are logged in, you'll see the logout link. If you open an incognito window to visit the website as a logged out user, you will see the login link. If you click the login link, you will be taken to the WP login page. However, if our user's WP plugin is installed, it will automatically redirect you to your front-end login page. Finally, let's explore the spacer item. It is a non-link element you can use to create space between navigation items. For example, if you want to move all text links to the left, next to the logo, while keeping the icons on the right, the spacer link will help you achieve this. First, remove the right padding from the logo item and the left margin from the home navigation item. Next, add the spacer link before the first icon. Type /BS nav item and select the BS nav item block and choose spacer in the block settings. In the advanced block settings, apply margin left, auto, and save. Now the text links are positioned on the left, next to the logo, while the icons and the Buy Now button remain on the right. If this tutorial was helpful, click the like button. Let me know in the comments if you have any preferences for future topics, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon!